Hey folks, this is Adam from 911 Reviews, and today we have a fun one for you. I'm coming to you live from my pool bathroom, because that's apparently something I do now, and your review guru is going to tell you about this. It's a 12-in-1 beard care kit, and I think you're going to like it. For anyone who has a beard, this is going to be the kit for you. It's reasonably priced, it's available on Amazon. We'll put a link in the description below. So let's kick it off right about now. First off, the first item in the beard kit is this, which, okay, first off, I guess I should say that some of the things don't come with instructions, but they're kind of common sense. This appears to be one of those for sculpting the angle on your beard. If you look real close, that you can tell that I kind of need to sharpen up the edge here, okay? So I'm going to definitely add this. Now, depending on what kind of angles and curves you want, you can adjust accordingly. It's essentially a stencil. And I'm going to start off with this one to sharpen up the edges, and I'm going to do it personally. Let's see if I can get that right there. You can see it's a pretty straightforward process. Now I'm sure you want to go against the grain and whatnot, or with the grain. I'm no beard expert, but it's a good way to clean up those edges and not kind of make them look jagged. So very nice device, very nice. I've seen these all over, but to have them all in one kit is really helpful. Now next, this one does not come with instructions per se. It's one of these little brushes. I've used them for all sorts of purposes. I would imagine you can comb your beard down. You know, my beard, I keep it pretty short, pretty trim. I use a wall set of trimmers. I'm like 2 to trim it up every once in a while, and then I'll let it grow out. The most I've had it grown out, and you saw it a couple months ago, was from I think January to April. I had 3 months of growth, and it got to be about an inch long. And you can see that in some of the videos. I think one where I review a chair outside on the lanai, you can really see the length of my beard. Next up, you have a very nice potential brush as well. A carrying case for all of your apparatus. So that's nice. Looks kind of burlap. I'm not sure the exact material, but it's nice to have in here. You have some beard balm. Now, I've used beard balm before, and if you're growing your first beard, you know that sensation, the itchy sensation you get with a beard? Well, it really makes a difference if you're applying a little bit of beard balm. A little bit goes a long way. And the way I apply it is I'll rub it in my fingers. Here it. And just get it in there. I don't know if that's a lemon smell. Lemon verbota. But anyway, and it also gives it the nice shine and luster that you're going to want. I'm going to use the edge thing on this side next. Okay. Now you also have this right here, which is kind of a beard bit, right? Now what's nice about it is it comes with 2 little suction cups and Velcro's on the back. There we go. Thought you knew. So we'll go ahead and put it on. And then what's fun about it is it comes with these little suction cups that you can essentially put on your mirror or wherever. I don't know if the exact spacing is going to be perfect, but you can, let's see if I can get it on there. There we go. Use both of them and it will go ahead and catch all your hair. So in my household, this will keep the wife from yelling at me too much when I trim my beard and leave hair everywhere. I'm going to take that off so I don't look too goofy for the rest of the review, but for actual utility purposes, that thing is great. We also have some beard oil to smooth and soften your beard. Now personally, I have a very prickly beard, and so a little bit of beard oil will help keep it smooth, soft, and looking fresh. So for a healthy beard, a few drops of beard oil. Let's give this one a sniff. Soften and smooth. And really, to get all these items, I mean, you can spend $30 for beard oil. You know, no scent on this. I thought it would have more of a scent, but sometimes it's good to have unscented because you don't need to be mixing all sorts of scents together, because then it just gets a little goofy, right? So get that closed up. Okay. You also have a straight edge razor, which I'm not going to demonstrate for you because I am not confident enough with a straight edge razor with extra blades to demonstrate that on a live video here. But you can see it's a significant, stop dropping the blades on live TV, right? Significant razor. There you go. Significant razor for you if you're so inclined. And that would work well with getting those perfect edges. Now, one thing I noticed, to get a really good beard, you should pay attention to all those fine lines. Maybe slim it out a little here. I always try to get right up here with a razor, because a perfect beard and a crappy beard are just how much attention you pay to the details. So there we go. Also comes with, last major item in here, is Vitamin E Aloe Vera Beard Wash. And you know, people don't realize that your beard is just as likely to get dandruff and gunk at it as your hair. So you're gonna want to every day wash your beard and really put some time and emphasis into your beard. Actually, I shouldn't say every day, because if you do it every day, it can get too dry. So find the schedule that's right for you. Every 2 or 3 days, you're gonna wanna wash your beard, make it fresh and looking deaf. So, and then I'll let you guess what this hanging apparatus is. Adhesive, and it says, it says, Dad, you are my superhero. So folks, go ahead and leave comments below. It's a great little kit. I think my favorite is this. May not seem like much, but being able to get those little edges. In fact, I'm gonna do this real quick here. Get those edges is an important part of bearding. Should have worn my bib for that. The wife's not gonna be happy. But you can see that real nice clean edge makes a big difference, right? And I'm sure you can hit wherever you want, the style you want, and that could be interesting. I think this is one way to do it as well. So whatever works for you folks, make sure you get your beard edging done accordingly. I'm Adam from 911 Reviews. We'll go ahead and put all your links and information in the description below. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask me. Subscribe and click the notification bell for new videos all the time. Adios, amigos.
And don't forget to check out our favorite product review and tech gadget page, 911reviews.com. 911 is a fun, energetic, and entertaining YouTube page for your favorite phones, outdoor gear, and pretty much anything in your Amazon shopping cart. If you love pop culture, entertainment, and a little bit of science, then check out the link in the description below.